Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 8, Introduction to Geometry, and we are into the 8th session. Well, in the previous session, we saw some sums similar or resembling to those given in exercise 8.1. Alright? Finding the value of sides, finding the value of angles, finding the value of expressions, and prove that. Under what condition? When you are given two sides of right triangle, or you are given one side, one angle. So in different situations, you find the value of expression, you find the trigonometric ratios, you prove that type of sums. This is all that you have seen in different conditions. Still, we are going to continue the same. See, now we move to type 3. Type 1 and type 2 we have seen, and we have also seen subtypes. Type 3, finding the value of expression or variable. This is introduced new now. Or prove that type of sums based on trigonometric ratios of special angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Those 30 values of trigonometric ratios of special angles, 5 special angles, that you have to learn by heart, children. But there is a trick. Here I have drawn the crown. The crown. Alright. I am going to fill it. Once again you can see it. Alright. So based on this, find the value of expression. If one equation is given and there will be one variable, you have to find the value of that variable or prove that type of sums. Once again, let me tell you, this is very easy. Substitute the correct value and you get marks for that also. Yes, simplification part might be a little bit tough, but you will have to work hard. Okay, fine. Let's put the values. As I said, cos, sine and tan you have to put. Up, cos, which is 1 upon sec. Sine, which is 1 upon cosec. Tan, which is 1 upon cot. Okay? I told you to remember 3 pairs of numbers. First, cos 0, 1, 0. 30 root 3 by 2 और उसका जोड़ीदार half. 45 1 over root 2 उसका जोड़ीदार 1 over root 2. Now उल्टा करना है आपको. 60 ये 30 का उल्टा, 60 30 का उल्टा. So half comes first and root 3 by 2 next. 90 ये 0 का उल्टा. Here 1 0, so you write 0 1. Now tan is sine upon cos. 0 upon 1, that is 0. Here sine upon cos, sine 30 upon cos 30. ऊपर वाला ही लो, 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3. This is 1 upon 1, that is 1. Root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. 1 upon 0, undefined, or you can say infinity. Alright? That is undefined. Chaliye. So you got all values. Children, what is 0? Sine 0, or you can say 1 upon cosec 0. Here reciprocal hai cosec ka. Be careful. Okay? Let's see the illustrations. Number 1, these illustrations are not from the textbook. Okay? Find the value of sine 60 into sine 45 plus cos 60 into cos 45. Let's see solution of the first one. Sine 60 into sine 45 degree plus cos 60 into cos 45 degree is equal to, this is not equation, so equal to, and no therefore here. Chaliye, what you want is 60. So 60. What you want is sine. So sine 60 or sine. Dekho sine 60 root 3 by 2. Use brackets nicely, children. Into sine again, but 45 sine again and 45, that is 1 upon root 2. Correct? Plus cos 60 60 and cos, that is 1 upon 2. Use bracket. Sometimes it's not required, but use it. 45 cos cos the first value, 45 the middle value, that is 1 upon root 2. You get half mark or 1 mark for substituting the correct values of trigonometric ratios of special angles. Okay? So, yes, after that, you have to be very careful if you want to score full marks. This simplification work is not easy quite often. So, please do it carefully. Okay. Nothing, this is multiplication. If you want, you can cancel something, but there's nothing to cancel. So, root 3 ones are root 3 upon 2 into root 2 plus 1 ones are 1 and 2 root 2. We are lucky in the sense denominators are same. So, like denominator 2 root 2. When it is like denominator, straight away you can write root 3 plus 1. Correct? Now you can rationalize. Children, there is a hurdle. Root 2, इसकी वजह से ये surd बन गया. Because of that root 2 in the denominator, this expression is called surd. Surd कभी भी आंसर के फॉर्म में नहीं रखना है. So rationalize the denominator. The unwanted is root 2 in the denominator. If you want to get rid of, multiply and divide by root 2. So root 2 is rationalizing factor of root 2. चलिए, अब root 3 plus 1. This root 2 I keep before this binomial upon root 2 into root 2 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. That's it. You may distribute if you want. That is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into 1 is root 3 upon 4. This is the value of this expression. Got it? Sure? Understood? Here we are. We'll see the next number 2 now. Solution number 2. Okay? If x is greater than 0 and less than 90, that means it is acute angle. Sine of x and sine of x is equal to sine 60 into cos 30 minus cos 60 into sine 30. Find x. Yes, ये equation है और उसमें एक variable है x. उसकी value ढूंढनी है. Let's find out. I'm writing the equation here. Sine of x is equal to sine 60 into cos 30 minus cos 60 into sine 30. Children, this is equation here. This is equation here. Equal to is there. Earlier it was just an expression. ये expression था. And now we have equation. When there is equation, यहाँ एक इंडिकेटर आगे चलते रहेगा. कौन सा इंडिकेटर? Therefore, sine of x is equal to sine 30. We have, sine 60. We have the value sine 60. It is root 3 by 2. Yes, once again use the bracket nicely. Then cos 30. Cos and 30. That is also root 3 by 2. Minus cos 60. Cos 60. That value is 1 upon 2 into sine 30. Sine and 30. Where they meet? 1 upon 2. That's it. Therefore, the indicator continues. Therefore, क्योंकि बीच में equal to है somewhere. Sine of x is equal to. Yes, this can be multiplied. Nothing cancels. But root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 into 1 is 1 upon 4. Once again, we are lucky to have this denominator whole upon. See, equal to के नीचे equal to लिखा. मैंने therefore नहीं लिखा. ये skip किया. Or if you want, you can write therefore sine x is equal to. Straight away 3 minus 1. Correct? Therefore, sine x is equal to 2 upon 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore, sine of x is equal to sine of x is equal to half. Children, now उल्टा काम करना है आपको. Sin x is equal to half. Sin की वैल्यू देखो कहां हाफ आता है. ये पकड़ा. That is sin 30. हाफ वैल्यू चाहिए. I'm going to substitute for half. Sin. Sin में हाफ कहां आया? यहां. कौन सा एंगल के लिए? 30. So here I'm going to write साइन ऑफ therefore साइन ऑफ ये तो x एंड दैट इज साइन ऑफ 30. नाउ एक रिजल्ट प्रूव किया था, साइन ऑफ समथिंग इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ समथिंग, दैट दोस टू समथिंग्स आर इक्वल. Therefore x is equal to 30 by result. You may say by comparing both sides, वो भी कह सकते हैं by comparing both sides. So x is equal to 30 degree. You found the value, find x, and here is the value, x is equal to 30 degree. I hope you understood. Good. So moving on to illustration 3 and 4. Children, type 3, यहां सब टाइप्स नहीं है. Type 3.1, 3.2, 3. And that is a relief to you, isn't it? Okay. Anyway, don't worry about type 1 and type 1.1 up till 1.7 that you have. And in type 2, 2.1, 2.2 up till 2.4, I think you have it. Don't worry about those subtypes. Okay? You will automatically remember them. Okay? Chalo. There is no need to think what is type 1.1, उसमें ऐसा है, type 1.2, no need to remember in that way. Automatically you will remember what to do in different situations. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, type 3 में कोई सब types नहीं है, so that is good news. Fine. Third one, find the value of. Yeah, now the expression has become tougher. You had expression in the form of two terms. ये तो न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर, इसे कहते हैं रेशनल एक्सप्रेशन. So here you have to find the value of expression which is not simple. It is a rational expression having numerator part and denominator part. So your work has become tougher. So you have to be more careful. The first thing you have to be very careful is putting the right values of trigonometric ratios of special angles. For that you get mark. And then next you have to be careful while simplifying. Okay? There shouldn't be any mistake to get the answer, correct answer at the end. Okay, fine. Now third one, solution 3. 5 sine square theta 30 plus sine square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 whole upon 2 sine 30 degree into cos 30 degree plus cot 45. Now this is expression. So you will have indicator as equal to. यहां इक्वेशन है लेकिन वो तो प्रूव करना है. See this prove that sin theta plus sin 60 plus cos 30 plus whole upon 1 plus sin 30 plus cos 30 is equal to cos 30. यहां प्रूव करना है. So I pick up left hand side, find its value, then I pick up right hand side, find its value. Both the values would be same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proof, very easy. So here prove that is easier than this. Because here you do not know what will be the value of the expression. शायद कहीं गलती कर दी. दो गलतियां हो सकती है. Cot 45 is 1, लेकिन आप 1/√3 गलती से लिख दिया, गया काम से. दूसरी गलती while simplification कुछ cancellation, subtraction, addition में गलती कर दी, तो आंसर रॉन्ग. लेकिन जब प्रूव करना होता है तो पता है कि क्या आंसर लाना है. What answer you should have. So that is support to you. And when you have support, the work becomes easy. Correct? Okay. So first is 5. So I write 5. Next is sine square 30. Use the bracket smartly. I'm writing square of sine 30. Now sine is here. 30 is here. They meet here. 1/2 plus. So plus sine square 45. It is square. Sine and 45. They meet here. Okay, this is sine and this is 45. They meet here, correct? So that is 1/√2 minus, so minus 4, so 4 into 10 square, so square 10 here and 30 here. This is 1/√3. 1/√3. समझ में आई बात? That is equal. Sorry. अभी बाकी है होल अपॉन 2. सो 2 साइन 30 Sine is here, 30 is here, 1 upon 2 into cos 30, cos is here, 30 is here, root 3 by 2 minus, in fact it is plus, cot 45. So I'll put in the bracket, no square, only cot. Cot के लिए ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये रेसिप्रोकल है. 45 of cot, 45 of 1 upon cot, that is 1. 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 ही है. Be careful, children. So you have substituted all the values correctly. Correct? So you get marks here. Now simplification, that is another thing you have to take care. Now see what sir does. 1, 2 and 3 terms are there. That I am going to put in the large bracket. Whole upon, I am going to put division sign for it. And there are 2 terms in the denominator that I can put in the large bracket. Don't put these brackets beforehand. Sometimes they are small, sometimes they become big for you. So, but I am putting it so that you know what I am doing exactly here. Upon के लिए मैंने division sign किया, पूरा न्यूमरेटर एक ब्रैकेट में सेपरेट किया, पूरा डिनोमिनेटर दूसरी ब्रैकेट में सेपरेट किया. Okay, 5 into square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, plus square of 1 is 1, square of root 2 is 2, minus 4 into square of 1 is 1 and square of root 3 is 3. Okay, ब्रैकेट अच्छी तरह साइज ठीक रही है. ठीक है, 2 into this is okay. ये 2 कैंसिल हो गया चिल्ड्रन. You can cancel it here. See product here. So you have root 3 by 2 plus 1. देखो ब्रैकेट यहाँ बड़ी हो गई, हमें इरेज करना पड़ता है. So पहले से ब्रैकेट मत लिखना. चल fine, nothing cancels here. This is 5 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 4 upon 3 in the first bracket. Divide by here. Okay, I'll write once. Root 3 by 2 plus, yes, the first term is in the fractional form, so represent second term also in the fractional form. 1 upon 1. That is equal to, what is the LCM? 4, 2 and 3. 4, 2 और 3 का LCM क्या है? Actually it is 12, but I am showing you. 2 2s are 1s are 3s are 2 1s are 1 and 3s are 3 1s are 1s are 1s are 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Correct? Chalo. 4 into what is 12? 3. 2 into what is 12? 6. 3 into 4. And now this 3 into 5 is 15 plus 6 into 1 is 6 minus 4 4s are 16. So what you are getting? That is equal to divide by children. Divide by, यहाँ भी LCM निकालो. 2 और 1 का LCM 2. 2 1s are और 1 2s are. So what you have? 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2. चलिए. So 15 plus 6 21. 21 minus 16 5. So that is 5 upon 12. Divide by, this is root bigger, okay, root 3 plus 2 upon 2. Convert division into multiplication. 5 upon 12 multiplied by 2 upon, bigger term, bigger number is 2. So I am putting 2 plus root 3 instead of root 3 plus 2. Bigger term you have to write first. Both are positive. But root 3 is 1.73 and this is 2. So 2 is bigger, so I am writing that first. 2 1s are 2, 6 are. So you got 5 upon 6 into 2 plus root 3. Once again I am having a surd because denominator has that root. So you will have to rationalize. इस बार ये binomial है. 2 plus root 3. A plus B form. So rationalizing factor is A minus B. So you have to multiply and divide by A minus B. What is A? 4. What is B? Root 2. That's why I use the commutative property, and for root 3 plus 2, I wrote 2 plus root 3. Because while rationalizing, the first term should be bigger and second term should be smaller. So straight away I multiply and divide by 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. All right. Okay. All right. I'll rub this portion little bit. Okay. So that is equal to up 5 into 2 minus root 3, down 6 to hai. And this binomial into binomial. A plus b into a minus b. What is the expansion? A square minus b square. So 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Large bracket mein. Okay. I'll use this bracket later. First term square minus second term square. Or wo bracket mein. What is that? 2 and root 3. So that is equal to 5 into 2 minus root 3 upon 6 into square of 2 is 4 minus square of root 3 is 3. So that is equal to 5 into 2 minus root 3 upon 6 into 1. Final answer 5 by 6. 5 upon 6 into 2 minus root 3. This is the value of this expression. Got it, children? Understood? So we move on to the next number. So let's see the fourth one. Prove that solution 4. This is left hand side LHS and this is the right hand side RHS. Okay. First I'll pick up left hand side. Left hand side, that is equal to, it's a rational expression, sin 60 plus cos 60. That is numerator, and 1 plus sin 30 plus cos 60 is denominator. Let's put the value. Sin 60, sin or 60, that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus cos 30, cos and 30, that is also root 3 by 2. Now I am putting the bracket. Whole upon, I am putting division sign. 1, as you know, fractional value आनी है, तो 1 upon 1 लिख ही देते हैं. Plus sin 30, that is half, plus cos 60, that is half. Correct? चलिए, that is equal to, यहाँ 2 और सीधा लिखो root 3 plus root 3 because of like denominator. Small bracket I am using now. Or you can continue with large bracket. Children, અહીંયા એક દેશી હિસાબ કરી શકાય. આધા और आधा एक और एक दो. Half plus half is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. But still, I'll go for LCM, which is 2. 2s are 1s are 1s are 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1 plus 1 1s are 1. Alright, that is 2 root 3 x plus x 2x y plus y 2y. So root 3 plus root 3 2 root 3 divided by 2. Then division sign 4 upon 2. चलिए ये कैंसिल हो रहा है, यहां भी कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है. So now root 3 is left. आपको ये डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. And when you transform that 2 upon 1, हम समझ सकते हैं 2 upon 1 becomes inverse 1 upon 2. That is root 3 by 2. This is result 1. So what is the value of this left hand side? Root 3 by 2. What is the value of left hand side? Root 3 by 2. Now you can pick up right hand side. Now you can pick up right hand side. Now RHS is equal to cos 30. Cos or 30, that is root 3 by 2. Call it result number 2. By 1 and 2 it follows that left hand side is equal to right hand side. But some smart children will do it in some other way. Smart children, they will do it in other way. They will say root 3 by 2 और cos की value, क्योंकि हमें cos 30 prove करना है. So cos की value में root 3 by 2, here it is. That is 30. So that is equal to cos 30 and that is equal to RHS. Proved. That is RHS proved. Here by trigonometric ratios of spatial angles. Spatial angles. That is what you can write. Okay. So anyway, 1 or 2 result कहना हो तो by 1 and 2 it follows that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Prove or straight away you can prove. Clear to you? I hope you have understood. Good. Children, moving further, we are going to see spatial sum based on type 3. It is slightly different. So our approach to solve it also would be different. Correct? Let's see the sum. If sine of a minus b is equal to half and cos of a plus b is equal to half, where a plus b, okay, it is greater than 0 and less than 90. By a plus b means it's an angle, that theta, cos theta. Theta is always acute angle. A minus b, that is also angle. It is acute angle. So a plus b and a minus b both lie between 0 and 90. And a is greater than b. Then only this is positive difference. Angle कभी negative नहीं होता है. So a minus b is positive only if a is greater than b. So that is the reason. So under this condition, find the value of a and b. Alright? चलिए, let's start. Solution. Sine of a minus b is equal to half by delta. ठीक है? अब हमें ये यूज करना है, लेकिन ऐसा कोई एंगल नहीं है 45 डिग्री, 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री. नो, देयर आर नो सच एंगल्स. तो उल्टा काम करना पड़ेगा. हाफ और वो भी साइन में ही चाहिए, तभी हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. तो साइन में कहां हाफ आता है देख लो. फाइंड आउट हाफ. हियर इट इज, so that is 30. So I am going to write, therefore sine of a minus b is equal to sine 30 by trigonometric ratios of spatial angles. By trigonometric ratios of spatial angles. Sine और sine है और equal to है. Therefore a minus b is equal to 30. This angle equal to this angle. Call it result number 1. So you got a linear equation in two variables a and b. x और y नहीं है, m और n नहीं है, small a और small b नहीं है, capitals है. So आप a और b unknown है, so they are variables. a minus b is equal to 0. This is one linear equation in two variables a and b. चलो, the other condition is going to help us in giving another linear equation in two variables. So I'm writing also cos of a plus b is equal to half by delta. Correct? Therefore, cos of a plus b is equal to. Now this is some value of trigonometric ratios of spatial angle. But we want cos only. So cos में कहाँ half मिला? यहाँ. That is 60. So you may write cos 60. Cos or cos are equal to. So you can say this angle and this angle are equal. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 60. Result 2. No need to write again that reason. So you solve that. अपने linear equation in two variables. You have solved this. So by 1 and 2, we have by 1 and 2. You may write a minus b is equal to 30. A plus b is equal to 60. Go for elimination method. Minus b plus b is gone. A plus a 2a. 30 plus 60 is 90. Therefore, a is equal to 90 divided by 2. And that is equal to 45. So you got a. So substituting value of a into इसमें ले लेते हैं. Alright. Substituting a is equal to 45 into gives two equation आपने pick up किया. A 45 plus b that is equal to 60. You could have done in the first equation as well. Therefore, b is equal to 60 minus 45. Therefore, b is equal to 50. So, a is equal to 45 and b is equal to 50 is the answer. Clear? Understood? Alright children, then we move to the next type, and that is type 4. Alright? Here also you have to find the value of expression or prove that. And there is one more, you have to express in other form. But these sums are based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Yaad karo children, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here is the magical, wonderful hexagon. Here we start with cos, correct? Then sine, then tan here, साइन का रेसिप्रोकल कॉसेक, कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल सेक, और टेन का रेसिप्रोकल कॉट. I put them in the circle. And if you see these three green lines, they are parallel, correct? One is diagonal and two are the sides of hexagon. Complementary of cos is sine, complementary of sine is cos, complementary of cot is tan, complementary of tan is cot, complementary of cosec is sec, complementary of sec is cosec. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So I reminded you again the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and we are going to use that. Okay, let's see the first example. It is from your textbook, illustration number 9. Evaluate. Solution 1. Tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree. Now the question arises, when to use trigonometric ratios of complementary angles? Because we have trigonometric ratios for special angles and trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. So you see the measures of angles given, 65 and 25. You know the special angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are special angles. These are special angles, and all other angles other than this are non-special. So 65 and 25 doesn't fall here. So they are non-special angles. Non-special angles. So whenever we have to deal with non-special angles, we are going to use trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Chaliye, 65 plus what is equal to 90, क्योंकि इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिल जाएगा. 65 में ये पहला मैंने नॉन स्पेशल एंगल को ले लिया, it is 65. 65 plus what is 90, and the answer is, आपको नहीं पता हो तो 90 में से 65 माइनस करो, so that is 25. Correct? So 65 and 25, their total is 90, so they are complementary of each other. So 65 is 90 minus 25. Yeah, 25 is 90 minus 65. Okay? Chaliye. This is equal to, now you know the complementary of 65 is 25. So take complementary. What is complementary of 10? 10 का complementary क्या है? So I have written cot. और 65 का complementary क्या है? So I am writing 25 upon. I am not changing this. Only one I am changing. I am keeping it as cot 25. Because you have changed this, no? Cot 10. 10 theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Alright? अब थीटा ले लो, ये 65 मत लो, यहां जो एंगल है वो यहां नहीं लेना है. tan theta, ये tan theta है ना, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So this is 65, this is 90 minus 65, that is 25. So you have to write this. Now this cancels and that is equal to 1. So the value is 1. Got it? Here's the second one. Evaluate cos 70 upon sin 20 plus cos 59 into cosec 31. Alright? Look at the angles. 70, 20, 59, 31. There are 4 angles and none of them is special. So all are non-special angles. So we'll use trigonometric ratios of complementary. First I come across 70. So 70 plus what is 90? The answer is 20. 90 minus 70. So इसको चेंज करेंगे, लेकिन इसको नहीं, क्योंकि वो 20 में कन्वर्ट हो जाने वाला है. जो दो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है उसमें से एक को ही चेंज करना है. 70 and 20 are complementary angles, so you change only 70, not 20. So next now I come across is 59. 59 plus what is 90? That means what is complementary of 59? So 90 में से 59 minus करेंगे तो 31 मिलेगा. So 59 and 31 are complementary. So 59 I am going to change, but not 31. It will remain as it is. Have you followed? Why? You will realize the importance very soon. This is equal to, yes, cos, the complementary sign. So sine I am writing 90. The complementary is 20. So I am writing 20 upon. I am not changing this. See how it works now. It cancels. That's why we are not changing. Chalo. Plus, this we are going to change. Cos, again the complementary sign, and 59. Yes, the complementary is 31. Okay, into this I am not going to change. Cosec 31. आपको यहां रीजन लिखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आपने दोनों में cos को कन्वर्ट किया. Cos, so cos alpha, I am using alpha, is equal to sine 90 minus alpha. That is the reason. Correct? Now this cancels, so that is 1 plus. Children, sine into cosec. Sine into cosec. कहां है sine? यहां. क्या कहां है? Yeah, sine and cosec, they are reciprocal of each other. Look. Sine into cosec. Sine into cosec. Theta is same. 31. Sine theta into cosec theta. Sine theta into cosec theta is 1. If you remember, there is 1 here. Sine theta into cosec theta is 1. Alright. So I'll write here 1. आपको reason लिखना पड़ेगा, because sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. आप ये reason नहीं लिखते हो तो you can write trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here interrelationship, by trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. वो भी लिख सकते हैं. Now what is 1 plus 1? 2. So that is the value of the second sum. Clear to you? Understood? Okay children. Now moving on to the third one. Earlier it was cos here which was wrong in the statement, so I just corrected the question. Now solution 3. Sec 71 into sine 19 minus cos 21 into cosec 69. Chaliye, the first, okay, 71, 19, 21, 69, they are non-spatial angles. So we'll use trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First we come across is 71. 71 plus what is 90? So it is 19. So 71 and 19 are complementary. I'll change this, but not the 19 one. Now 21 is the other one I come across. Plus what is 90? So 90 minus 21 gives you 69. There it is. Alright. So we'll use that. Chalo. Sec. Here it is. Its complementary is cosec. So let me write cosec. 71. Its complementary is 19. So 19 into. This I am not changing. It is sine 19 minus. Cos. Its complementary is sine. And then 21. Its complementary is 69. And I am not going to change this. Cosec 69. Now here you will have to write. You change the sec because sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. Sec is cosec 90 minus theta. And you change cos. Cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. ये दोनों आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. If you don't write this, you can write this. By trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. By trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here you have to just write one statement which is little long. Instead of writing two things. एक ही statement में पूरा हो जाएगा. So if you have to write only one, use this. And if you have to write more than one forms, then write this. It becomes equal. Okay? Fine. Now there is product of cos and sine. Cosec and sine. Product of cosec and sine. See that? Cosec into sine. They are reciprocal of each other. So product is 1 minus. Sine and cosec. Again sine and cosec. They are reciprocal of each other. So the product is 1. Because cosec theta into sine theta is equal to 1. Now if you don't want to write this, you can write by interrelationship of trigonometric ratios. यदि ये नहीं लिखना हो तो ये लिखो. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, so the value is 0. I hope you have understood this type 4. We'll proceed further and see more. Okay. So children, now we'll see special type based on type 4. These are special ones. You have to recall this or practice this again and again. They are very important. I have called special type 4.1. Then we are going to see 4.2 as well. Alright? Chaliye. Now, what it is? First one, let's see. In triangle ABC, it's right angle triangle, don't forget. Okay. Prove that tan of A plus C by 2 is equal to cot of B by 2. Tan of which angle? Angle A plus C by 2. That is equal to what? Cot of which angle? B by 2. Okay? Children, ये triangle ABC है. Please, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. ये ट्राइंगल की आइडेंटिटी है. लेकिन हम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में we don't put the symbol of angle. We simply say A plus B plus C is equal to 180, which means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180. चलिए, what you want here? A plus C. So keep A plus C. A plus C is equal to 180 minus B. ठीक है? Now this is not simply A plus C. Divide by 2. So divide both sides by 2. Yeah, multiply 1 upon 2 on both sides. So A plus C is equal to 180 minus B. I am dividing both sides by 2, or you can say multiplying half on both sides. Multiplying 1 upon 2 on both sides. Correct? Now, this I am going to split it as 2 terms. That is equal to 180 divided by 2 minus B by 2. You can see you got B by 2 as well. Now this is 90 minus B by 2. Therefore, A plus C by 2 is equal to this. So you got substitution for A plus B, A plus C by 2. What is A plus C by 2? 90 minus B by 2. Call this result number 1. अब आपको जो प्रूव करना है, I am going to pick up left hand side. Left hand side, that is equal to tan of A plus C by 2. That is equal to tan of, children, what is A plus C by 2? 90 minus B by 2. And this you got by 1. Bolo, tan ka complementary. What is complementary of tan? Cot. So this becomes cot. And what is complementary of 90 minus B by 2? It is B by 2. See this. I'll explain to you. 90 minus B by 2. ये bracket में. Plus what? Plus what is equal to 90. तो यहाँ B by 2 आ जाएगा. Minus B by 2 plus B by 2 cancels. So 90 equal to 90. So what is complementary of 90 minus B by 2? Arey, what is complementary of 90 minus theta? Theta. What is complementary of 90 minus alpha? Alpha. What is complementary of 90 minus B by 2? B by 2. Clear to you? Okay. So complementary of 10 is cot, and complementary of this angle is B by 2. Okay. What you will write? Because you have converted tan. Tan of 90 minus, sorry. Yeah, it is tan of 90 minus theta. जो convert किया वो देखो. Tan of 90 minus theta ऐसा फॉर्म है. That is equal to cot theta. इसमें नहीं जाना हो तो by trigonometric ratios of complementary angle पूरा लंबा स्टेटमेंट लिख दो. And that is equal to RHS. Cot B by 2. Proved. Clear to you? Understood? So the first one is done. It's proved. Okay? So moving on to the next one. That is second one. And it is similar. Only the name of triangle has changed. It is triangle PQR. All right, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180, i.e. P plus Q plus R is equal to 180. आपको चाहिए Q plus R, so आप Q और R को रखो, therefore Q plus R is equal to 180 minus P. Not just that, multiplying half on both sides. So Q plus R by 2 is equal to 180 minus P by 2. Alright, multiplying half on both sides. ठीक है? So, yeah, splitting the right hand side. 180 divided by 2 minus P by 2. That is 90 minus P by 2. What is that? Q plus R by 2. Result 1. Now you can pick up your left hand side. What is left hand side? Left hand side. Cos of Q plus R by 2. You have already got substitution. What is Q plus R by 2? देखो अभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मत कर देना, cos cos ही है, अब तो सिर्फ ये ब्रैकेट का सब्स्टिट्यूशन है. बाय रिजल्ट 1, दैट इज 90 माइनस P by 2. अब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री करते हैं. What is complementary of cos? Sine. So write sine. And what is complementary of 90 minus P by 2? Once again, 90 minus alpha, what is the complementary? उसका alpha. 90 minus beta, what is the complementary? Beta. 90 minus theta, what is the complementary? Theta. 90 minus alpha plus beta, तो उसका complementary alpha plus beta. So 90 minus P by 2, उसका complementary P by 2. Correct? Because cos को आपने कन्वर्ट किया और 90 minus theta फॉर्म है. 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Or you may write trigonometric ratios of complementary angle by trigonometric ratios of complementary. And that is equal to right hand side. Proof. Got it, children? So, special type 4.1 is done. We'll see now special type 4.2. So, special type 4.2. Let's see what we have to do here. If sec of 4a is equal to cosec of a minus 20, two trigonometric ratios are equal. First ratio is sec और उसका एक्यूट एंगल है 4a. सेकंड ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो इज cosec और उसका एक्यूट एंगल है a minus 20. Okay, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Children, you have to find the value of a. Solution 1. Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. You have to find the value of a. This is by data. अथवा you may write given. Alright? Children, आपको a की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. You have to find the value of a. A is unknown. A is variable. तो मुझे तो इक्वेशन चाहिए in which there is a. The only variable a. Then I can get the value of a. Correct? तो how to get equation? मतलब ये sec और cosec को निकालना पड़ेगा. तो you use complementary. ये निकलेगा जब दोनों sec हो. Sec of something is equal to sec of something. या cosec equal to cosec. तभी वो निकलेगा. तो यहां तो sec है और यहां cosec है. तो sec और cosec. Luckily they are complementary. So you may write. Therefore, either convert sec into cosec या cosec into sec. इसको देखो. I'll convert this. What is the complementary of sec? Sec का complementary cosec. और 4a का complementary 90 minus 4a. Complementary of 4a 90 minus 4a. देख लीजिए 4a plus 90 minus 4a plus minus cancels. Total is 90. So they are complementary. ये आपको डायरेक्ट पता होना चाहिए. That is equal to cosec a minus 20. अब देखो, now you see you got cosec cosec. Therefore 90 minus 4 angle. This angle equal to this angle. That is equal to a minus 20. A सगा संबंधी एक बाजू करो. That is equal to a plus 4a. Therefore 90 plus 20. Therefore 110 is 5a. So 110 divided by 5 is a. 5 twos are, 1 remains. 5 twos are, i.e. a is equal to 22. Got it? Got it? Alright. Now here, instead of converting sec into cosec, you can convert cosec into sec as well. वो भी तो हो सकता है ना? You can do that as well. Correct? So let's see. I'm keeping this sec 4a is equal to. Now this cosec I have written sec because cosec का complementary sec है. लेकिन यहां बड़ा केयर लेना पड़ेगा. 90 माइनस ये ब्रैकेट में लिखना पड़ेगा a minus 20. ठीक है? Now sec and sec are equal. Therefore 4a is equal to large bracket 90 minus ब्रैकेट में 20. ये लार्ज ब्रैकेट आप नहीं लिखोगे तो भी कोई बात नहीं. 4a is equal to this. Open the bracket. 4a is equal to 90. While opening the bracket, signs will change. That is very important. और plus 20. ये a वो बाजू गया. 4a plus a. 90 plus 20 is 110. So 5a is 110. Correct? Therefore a is equal to 22. ये भी हो सकता है. लेकिन आसान यही रहेगा. ये थोड़ा complicated हो जाता है. Right? Okay? Fine. Now we see the second one. It is similar. Second one. Same. If 3 theta is an acute angle such that sin 3 theta is equal to cos 9 theta minus 26, then find the value of theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to cos theta minus 26. Sin 3 theta, and this is theta. You have to find the value of theta. This you may say given. Therefore, sec, yeah, you can get theta only if this is sin equal to sin or cos equal to cos. So sin can be converted into cos, or cos can be converted into sin, because sin and cos are complementary of each other. What would be more convenient? ये आप देखो दो टर्म के फॉर्म में है, so don't convert cos, convert sin. Sin का complementary cos, और ये ब्रैकेट में लिखना पड़ेगा 3 theta 90 minus 3 theta is complementary. That is equal to cos of 90 minus 26. यहां पिछले वाले में रीजन नहीं लिखा, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आपने साइन को कन्वर्ट किया. साइन अल्फा ही है, सिंगल टर्म है. अल्फा इज इक्वल टू कॉस 90 माइनस अल्फा. दिस इज द रीजन. यहां थीटा हो तो यहां कुछ एंगल अलग आइडेंटिटी का. राइट? ओके. नॉट आइडेंटिटी बट ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. नाउ यू गॉट कॉस कॉस, देयरफॉर angles 90 minus 3 theta is equal to theta minus 26. Find 90 plus 26 theta plus 4 theta. So again 5 theta is equal to 116. Therefore theta is 116 divided by 5. Alright? Well, the best thing to do, convert denominator into 10. 5 into what is 10? 2. So multiply and divide by 10. So 6 2s are 12, 3 and 2 divide by 10. So therefore theta is equal to 23.2. Put decimal point. So here the value of theta is 23.2. Clear to you? Understood? Fine. Now we move on to special type 4.3. 4.3. Alright. And what it is? So here is special case 4.3, special type. What it is? Let's see the question. Express each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles having measure between 0 and 45. Can you see the two expressions given? See the measures of angles 70 and 62. Lekin we will have to express these measures in the form between 0 and 45. Between 0 and 45. Same way. See these angles? They are not between 0 and 45. We have to transform. We have to express in that form. Let's see the first one. sine of 70 plus sec of 62 is equal to, this is expression, so equal to will go down as an indicator. चलिए 70 plus what is 90? Obviously it is 20. The next one is 62. 62 plus what is 90? So that is 28. Correct? Finished. काम हो गया. What is complementary of sine? Cos. And what is complementary of 70? 20. Plus. What is complementary of sec? Cosec. And what is complementary of 62? 28. Right? Because, okay, you write by trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. ये पूरा स्टेटमेंट लिखो. यदि आपको वो नहीं लिखना हो तो आप लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज आपने साइन को कन्वर्ट किया, सिर्फ सिंगल टर्म है, सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा. दूसरा आपने सेक को कन्वर्ट किया, सिर्फ एक नंबर है थीटा, that is equal to cosec of 90 minus theta. So either write this or this statement. And now you see ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन नया एक्सप्रेशन में कन्वर्ट हो गया और एंगल्स 20 और 28 है which lies between 0 and 45. Simple. The second one now, cos 79 plus tan 59. I'm going to write directly now. Complementary of cos is sine and complementary of 79 is 11. Complementary of 10 is cot and complementary of 59 is 31. Because by trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Or you may write, ये आपने क्या कन्वर्ट किया, cos theta is equal to 9, sine of 90 minus theta. दूसरा आपने कन्वर्ट किया tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Finished. आपको नया एक्सप्रेशन मिल गया, उसमें एंगल्स 11 और 31 है which lies between 0 and 45. Clear to you? All right. So we end up the session here today. Till we meet in the next session. Goodbye.